Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. NH29, which connects state capital Kohima with the rest of the country, has been cut off due to road sinkage at old KMC dumping site, forcing vehicles to take diversions. Kohima police in a press release informed that all light vehicles going down towards Dimapur from Kohima and vice versa will be diverted to Jotsoma Bypass Road. Police said no heavy vehicles, buses, commercial pickup vehicles will be allowed to ply on this route. 4, 6, 10-wheeler heavy vehicles, buses, commercial pickup vehicles coming up towards Kohima from Dimapur will be diverted to Beducha Dent Mile, Tsesema route from 5 p.m. to 6 a.m. Meanwhile, heavy vehicles, buses, commercial pickup vehicles going down towards Dimapur from Kohima will take the Tsesema Dent Mile Beducha route. All 10-wheelers and above heavy vehicles, trailers going up towards Kohima from Dimapur will be stopped at the Beducha till the affected stretch at NH29 is restored. Stating that this regulation will be in effect till further order, Kohima police requested all commuters to comply with the order. Minister for Soil and Water Conservation, Geology and Mining, V. Kashio Sangdam, said that only way to keep COVID-19 at bay is to work together by observing SOPs laid down by the government and cooperate with the government to prevent community spread. Addressing the Gifre DPDP meeting held yesterday after a gap of 2 months, the minister urged upon head of departments to properly implement schemes meant for the public. Kashio said Gifre is economically backward, but proper implementation of public welfare schemes will help boost the economy of the district. Deputy Commissioner Abhinav Shivam informed the meeting that TrueNat test for COVID-19 showed positive for one returnee in the district, but confirmatory test report from BSL-3 lab Kohima is awaited. He urged upon citizens of Gifre not to panic or spread any unconfirmed information as the test result is yet to be confirmed. The DC called for maintaining social distancing and strict implementation of all SOPs as it was the only way to defeat COVID-19. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyapom said 134 patients recovered from COVID-19 infection in the state yesterday. He said 79 recovered in Dimapur, 29 in Kohima, and 19 in Zoniputo. Pangyo said all the recovered patients will be kept under strict surveillance. With this, the total recovery from COVID-19 in the state has gone up to 1,664. The minister informed that 65 new cases were reported yesterday, taking the total positive cases in the state to 3,520, out of which active cases was 1,842. Pangyo said necessary contact tracing have been activated and all primary contacts are under self-isolation. Advisor School Education Katie Sukalo yesterday initiated an emergency relief fund distribution to families affected by landslide in Zonubuto. A massive landslide on Monday damaged houses and affected families at DC Hill West Colony. Altogether, 5 families were provided relief by the team led by Sukalo. The total lockdown in Apoi subdivision, Mon, was lifted yesterday. Mon Deputy Commissioner Tavas Lanke notified the guidelines that will be enforced in Apoi subdivision. The guidelines said everyone should treat himself as asymptomatic carrier of COVID-19 and should take necessary safety precaution to break the chain of transmission. Stigmatization of returnees released from quarantine centers is strictly prohibited. Wearing of face mask has been made compulsory in public places. Everyone must maintain a maximum distance of 6 feet in public places. Workplace and spitting at public places is strictly prohibited. Intra-district movement of people and private vehicles will be prohibited except for medical emergency, official duty or COVID-19 related duty. Beren Deputy Commissioner Sendi Wapangaya yesterday ordered a sealing of houses at Atipung subdivision in view of detection of COVID-19 positive cases. The DC informed that house number 8, 43, 53 and 93 under C block and house number 41 under D block have been sealed with immediate effect to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Meanwhile, the DC directed the medical department to immediately commence contact tracing and other medical protocols as per the laid down SOPs. The DC said any person found violating this order will be liable to be prosecuted. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.